Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ZUYIYI 20-inch cordless hedge trimmer for Makita 18V battery, not included. There are features include: compatible with 18V batteries. Experience the freedom of cordless landscaping. This electric bush trimmer is perfectly compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries. Including models BL1830, BL1840, BL1850, BL1850B, BL1860, and BL1860B. A cost-effective tool-only solution that fits seamlessly into your existing power tool collection, battery not included. 180 degrees rotating handle for versatility. Achieve professional results at any angle. Our hedge trimmer features an innovative 180 degrees rotating handle, allowing you to switch between horizontal and vertical trimming modes effortlessly. This ergonomic design reduces wrist strain and provides optimal control. SK5 dual-action blades and powerful motor. Equipped with a high-torque motor reaching 1400 rpm and premium SK5 stainless steel dual-action blades. The 20-inch blade length and 4/5 inch cutting capacity ensure fast, clean cuts through thick branches with significantly less vibration compared to single-action models. Double safety switch and protection. This shrub trimmer is designed with a double safety switch system that requires both the top handle and the trigger to be pressed simultaneously to start, effectively preventing accidental activation. A built-in top baffle and front hand guard shield you from flying debris and thorns. Integrated debris collector. Keep your garden pristine while you work. The hedge trimmer includes a built-in, removable debris collector that pushes clippings away from the hedge, ensuring your walkways and fence lines stay clean and reducing post-trimming cleanup time. Ergonomic D-grip and easy maintenance. The comfortable D-grip handle supports easy operation from either side, making it user-friendly for both left and right-handed gardeners. Maintaining the unit is simple, just clear debris and dry the blades after use to ensure long-lasting performance and prevent motor overload. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.